In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add world clock to your home screen. This is essential for staying organized and efficient, especially if you frequently communicate or collaborate across time zones. To do this, simply long hold on to your screen. You will then tap onto this plus icon right here. On the option of world clock, just tap onto it. Choose any clock badge of your own choice. Tap on Add Widgets. It will show up just like that on your home screen. You can tap into it to add different time zones of your own choice. This provides quick access to multiple time zones at a glance, helping you schedule meetings, calls, or trips without confusion. That's how easy it is to add world clock onto your iPhone home screen. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.